Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy gift cards using your Google Play balance in 2025. So, step 1, open your Google Play Store on your Android device and make sure that you are signed in with the account that has the balance. Step 2, install application that has rewards converter if available. Direct gift card purchases with Google Play balance are limited. You can look for legitimate apps like Reward Converter or Gift that let you convert credits into gift cards. Always check the reviews and ratings before downloading. Step 3. Use Opinion Rewards credits, which is an optional step. If you have earned Play Store credits through Google option Opinion Rewards, those can sometimes be used within specific apps or digital purchases or gift card exchanges. Step 4. Explore in-app purchases. Some apps offer in-app purchases where you can redeem gift cards from your Play balance. Navigate to those apps and find available options for Amazon, Netflix, or gaming cards. Step 5. Be cautious. There is no official method by Google to convert Play balance directly into physical or third-party gift cards. Avoid sketchy apps that promises cash outs. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.